Hi, I'm Kimberly, and in this video I will show you how to add a custom font to your publication. You can use any of the already integrated Google fonts to make your publication shine, but there's also an option to add your own font. Just make sure the format is a WOFF file. That stands for Web Open Font Format. First, go to Theme Settings. The fonts are located here. If you click on the plus sign, the font library will open up. Here you will find the already installed Google fonts. You can choose any of these fonts and upload them to your publication. We're going to add our own custom font though. Click on My Custom Fonts in the bar on the left, underneath the serif style. Here you will see any other custom fonts you might have uploaded in the past. You can upload a custom font if you click here on Select one from your computer. You can also upload a custom font by dragging and dropping the custom font into this space here. If you upload different styles from your custom font, they will be combined as one font. You can see that here. You can activate or deactivate the fonts in this screen. If you select the font and click on Activate in the bottom right corner, the font will be usable in your publication. If you want to deactivate the font, click on the X. Don't worry, you can add them again after that. Make sure you are not already using this font in the publication if you want to deactivate it. If you activate a font, it will be added to your font library. When you're done uploading your custom fonts, you can now use it in your theme and in your regular text. If you click here, you will see all the fonts that you have uploaded and activated. This is how you add custom fonts to your publication.